All right, for project 2, I have the project 2 text file open, and what we're going to be doing today is creating our business letter that is formatted inside of our letterhead. So what I recommend that you do is actually open up your project 1. So I'm going to open up my project 1 DStibs, and I'm going to do a file save as, and in this, or Stibs Danielle, and in the same one, I'm just going to go project 2. All right, now I'm going to take the text from over here. I'm going to do Control A to select all of it. I'm going to copy it. I can close that, I won't need it anymore. And I'm going to paste it in here. Now, all I need to do, oops, save this. Now all I need to do is format this accordingly. So when I'm done, it should look like this. All right, we should have quadruple spacing here, which quadruple spacing means that there are 3 enters. Double spacing, so there is 1 enter here, and again quadruple spacing. That's all we got to do. Okay, so this one should be pretty quick. We should finish up project 1 and get this one submitted. So I'm going to do quadruple spacing. And if you turn on this little guy right here up at the top, this show hide paragraph markers, and turn this on, I can make sure that I have 3 enters here. So I'm going to make this a little easier on myself and pull these up next to each other so I can see what I got going on. I'm going to leave that. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. And I'm going to double space, so 2 enters. Dear Pop, double space. I need to find additionally, double space. We look forward, double space. Sincerely. And then I need to quadruple space. And the reason why we quadruple space here or have 3 enters is because you would print this and then sign your name, and we want to make sure that there's room enough for Jack Rill to sign his name here. So I'm just going to save this. I can turn off my paragraph markers. Those don't print, by the way, it's just for you to see what's going on. But I can turn that off, and then this looks all correct, so I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to file save as and submit this. So I'm going to go to browse. If I'm not already there, I'm going to go to this PC, student work, business, Stibs, completed work, tech trends, and project 2. There's no names in here right now because I'm the first person to submit this. Project 2, Stibs, Danielle, save. All set. Project 2 is done. I can close out and I am good to go.